What is up, guys? It's Tyler from Bullseye Investing here. So it actually happened, guys. Nikola, a company quickly becoming a kind of a meme company now, the butt of many jokes, rose 20% today from at close market price of $16.40 a share. Why? Well, it's because JP Morgan analyst Paul Costa released a new price target on Nikola, which was its main drive for the stock increase today. And he had a previous price target of $40 a share, and he dropped that to $35 a share from the $40 a share today. So this is probably confusing, right? Why did a decrease in price target make the stock go up so much? Well, first of all, we're going to get to his explanation, and the explanation will lighten up some things as to why the stock went up on this decreased price target. But also, in a more reasonable level, he reconsidered his stance on Nikola. He had a strong stance on Nikola of $40 a share. He reconsidered it with all the news that was happening with Nikola, right? Even with the Nikola stock dropping. And he said, you know what? I think I'm still right on Nikola. I'm only going to decrease my price target by $5 because I still think that Nikola has potential, and I'm not saying I'm wrong yet. And that to investors, the fact that someone reconsidered their position and the stock when the stock was going completely down and the guy still thinks that he's right, it means that he's very confident and that the stock will go up. And there's other drivers, as we'll talk about, which is the fact that if this price target comes true, that's implying a 113.41% increase from today's market close, a huge gain for anyone. And he also has a buy rating of overweight in his report. Now, this explanation that he gives is more important than the price target he gives, and this is what I tried to highlight in a recent video of mine. He says that execution risk for a tarnished brand is the reason that he dropped the price target from $40 to a $35. Of course, we know Nikola is a hugely tarnished brand. No one trusts their administration. No one even trusts that they'll be able to create their products on time, right? But that execution risk is what caused him to drop his price target. But he does expect a less drama-filled news year in 2021 for Nikola, and that most of the news that Nikola puts out or the news media puts out will be largely positive for Nikola. He also says that Nikola's semi-truck is still functioning and the production can still go on, and because of that, Nikola still has a lot of potential. And I talked about Nikola's potential in this video if it was actually Nikola's done for. And I don't believe Nikola is completely done for. Okay, we can't count them out quite yet. We can almost count them out, in my opinion. And I'm sure many of you guys have already counted them out in your brains. But if we do that, then it kind of creates this anti-hype, right? Nikola had this huge hype. I'm pretty sure they even passed the market capitalization of Ford at one point. And now it's kind of an anti-hype where there was all this hype and now Nikola has a bad name and no one wants to own Nikola shares anymore, right? Well, it's not exactly the end of Nikola stock yet, as the analyst said, and as I said in this video. And for that reason, if you are willing to take the risk, and if Nikola stock drops maybe $10 a share, then you can consider buying it. But don't throw it out of your mind for now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Let me know what you think about this video in the comments, and like it. Thanks for watching.